I've been exploring the Zipcar membership for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Zipcar membership. First, let's talk about what Zipcar offers. Zipcar is a car-sharing service that allows you to rent vehicles by the hour or day. Membership includes insurance, gas, and maintenance, so you don't have to worry about those additional costs. You can reserve cars through their app or website and access them using a Zip card or via Bluetooth on your phone. This flexibility makes it convenient for spontaneous trips or planned outings. One of the standout features is the variety of vehicles available. Whether you need a compact car for city driving, a larger vehicle for a group outing, or even a cargo van for moving items, Zipcar has options to suit different needs. This variety can be more cost-effective than traditional car rentals, especially if you only need a vehicle occasionally. But is it truly worth the cost? Zipcar's pricing varies by location and vehicle type, but on average, it can be more affordable than owning a car, especially when you factor in expenses like insurance, maintenance, and parking. However, if you find yourself using a car frequently, the costs can add up, and it might be worth considering other options. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Many members report that reserving and accessing vehicles is straightforward and hassle-free. The app is user-friendly, and the vehicles are generally well-maintained. However, some users have reported issues with customer service, including long wait times and difficulty resolving problems. It's worth keeping this in mind if you anticipate needing assistance. Overall, Zipcar can be a great option for those who need a vehicle occasionally and want to avoid the responsibilities of ownership. The convenience, variety of vehicles, and inclusive pricing make it appealing for city dwellers and those who don't require a car daily. However, if you need a vehicle frequently, it might be more economical to consider other options. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.